Michelangelo, I'm a big fan of Brother Bo Sanchez.
Yay!
Um, siya po, dinivulge po niya na 16 ang income streams niya.
Yes,
Kayo
that's
po ba
true.
pwede niyong i-divulge kung ilan ang income streams niyo?
105. Naku, nga pang ano. Sige. Para ma-inspire ka. I have my own training company, Life Enrichment Consultancy. We do trainings for top 1,000 companies. We do human development programs sa parang lahat ng dumadaan sa amin, di pa nagde-develop as human. So kung makakang hayop, ugali kang hayop, tumaan ka. That's my first income stream. My showbiz career, Pipito Manaloto, #Michelangelo, because I am the producer of the show. All sponsors that come, sa akin lahat yon, walang pakialamang network doon. Hanggat may natutuwa kay Michelangelo at bumibili ng librong Laugh with God Today, hindi ako magugutom. Public speaking, especially for corporate events. Isang talk lang sa isang buwan, buhay na ako kahit di na ako matulog. But I do stock market. Bata pa lang ako, nag-invest na ako stock market. I'm so excited. At the age of 60, I'll have around 50 million, 100 million for retirement. Do the stock market. You don't need to have a lot of money to do stock market. Just for 1,000 pesos you can do. Alam nyo bang, ito lang konting financial literacy, okay lang? May 100 pesos kayo? Meron, di ba? Pag alam nyo ba, naghulog kayo sa mutual funds sa 100 pesos at the age of 17, gawin nyo for the next 40 years of your life. At the age of 57, you have 3 million. 100 pesos. Na pinanglo-load nyo lang, pinangyoyosin nyo, ang kapal-kapal ng mukha nyo, hindi naman kayo nagtatrabaho, nagbibisyo pa kayo. Yon. And then, I have upcoming, may mga negosyo ko, magkakaroon ako ng bigasan. Kung narinig yung bigasan.com, it's the first franchise bigasan, 7-in-1. And hopefully, I will be having my 2 own Globe stores in malls.
Okay, sir.
Oh.
May isa po akong question sa inyo, sir. How do you make money holy?
Ha?
How do we make money holy?
Holy, yeah. Kasi ang problema sa mga tao, tama ba, balagtas? Okay ka lang ba? Ang kintab-kintab mo naman. Akala ko watusi ka. Oo, kumain ka, namamayat ka, ha? Nararamdaman ko na ang pulso ng puso mo. Ito naman si ate, para namang piyo ng upuan ng simbahan, yung pag gano'n, no? Okay, pasensya na, ha? Kaya ako madaldal, mabilis yung mata ko, eh. Kanina pa nga ako, nakita ko yung ilaw nyo, yung parang sinusundo na tayo ng Panginoon, di ba? Sundan natin ang liwanag. Ang liwanag, eh. Sige, ganito. Money is neutral. Don't forget. Pakiulit nga. It's neither good, neither or evil. What makes it good or evil is the one handling the money. Okay? So never think that money is evil. Natawa ako, nagbigay ako ng talk sa mga HR. Sabi ko sa kanila, nagbigay ako ng team building sa isang kumpanya. Sabi ko, why are you working for this company? Siyempre, at yung CEO, pasiklaban yung mga attendees, Sir, I'm working for this company because I believe in the vision and mission of this company. Nung kinupalakpakan yung mga tao, pati CEO, tapos sabi ko sa kanya, Sir, alam niyo po, sa pagiging trainer ko for the last 10 years, that's the greatest bullshit I ever heard. Because that's not true. It's only secondary. The reason why you're working is because you want to earn. Because you want to love your family. And that's what makes money holy. You send your kids to good schools. You send your parents to the best hospital because you want to live. You want them to live longer. That's what makes money holy. Kaya ako masipag, not just because I want to provide for my family, but I want to provide for my charities. Hindi ko to kinahihiya, sana gayahin nyo ko. Hindi ko to pinagmamayabang, pero alam ng Diyos ang puso ko. Pag ako may nakikitang matanda, na nagtitinda, nanlilimos, hindi ako nangihinawang bigyan ng 1,000. Lola, pamasko. Dahil alam ko naging mabuti ang Diyos sa akin. And that's what makes my money holy.
Thank you, sir.
I don't do drugs. Yun. Yun lang. The rest I do.